Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to boost your Shopify store sales by adding a copy coupon feature. You can easily copy a coupon from any page in your store with this cool functionality. Let's dive in and build this step by step from scratch. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section, and from there, open the official Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in coupon. You'll find many coupon-related apps, but we're going to use Coupon X, which offers a free version as well. Let's open the app to explore its features. By visiting its demo store, you'll see the available options that we'll be integrating into our store. Let me walk you through all the available options one by one. I'll explain each feature in detail so you can see how they can benefit your store. Now, let's go ahead and install the app. Once that's done, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting it up in your store. Here, we'll be selecting the free version, which offers 500 credits at no cost. Let's move forward with that. Once it's installed, the next step is to activate the app. To do this, go to your theme customizer and enable the app from there. And click on Save button above. Now, let's head back to the app settings and start setting up the widget. I already have an old widget here, so I'll remove it and create a new one from scratch. Keep in mind, with the free version, you can only create one widget at a time. First, we'll give it a random name. You can then customize the coupon icon. Choosing its alignment either left or right and update the colors to match your store's theme. Once you're happy with the design, we can move on to the next step, configuring the coupon type. Here, you can change the coupon name. Select the type of discount and set the discount value. You can also specify where the coupon applies, whether it's for a specific product, a collection, or all products. Additionally, you can set usage limits to control how many times the coupon can be used. Next, we'll finalize the widget design. You can update the background image, choose a background color, and adjust the text color. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish the widget. Now, let's close all the tabs and check the front end of our store to see how the widget works. As you can see, the coupon is working perfectly. Customers can easily copy the coupon code to their clipboard and use it at checkout. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you next time.